Who did Patrick homework? Patrick never did homework. Too boring, he said. He played hockey and basketball and Nintendo instead. His teacher told him, Patrick, do your homework or you would not learn a thing. And it's true. Patrick, do your homework and learn a thing. And it's true. Sometimes he did feel like an ignoramus. But what could he do? He hated homework. Then one day he found his kid playing with a little doll and he grabbed it away. To his surprise, it was not a doll at all, but a man of the tiniest size. He had a little wool shirt with old-fashioned breeches and a high told that, much like a wrist, he yelled, Save me! Do not give me back to the cat. I will grant you a wish. I promise you that. Patrick could not believe how lucky he was. Where was the answer to all of his problems? Till the end of the semester, that was 35 days. If you do as a good job, I could even as the little man's face wrinkled like a discloth thrown in the hamper. He kicked his leg and dudled his feet, and he grimaced and shouted, scolded, and pursed his lips. Oh, am I cause, but I do it. And true his word, that the little ape began to do Patrick homework expected there are one glitch. The elf did not always know what to do. He needed help. Help me, he did not say, and Patrick would have to help in whatever way. I do not know his word, the elf squared. While reading Patrick homework, get me a dictionary. No, what even better? Look up the word and sound it out each letter. When it came to math, Patrick was out of luck. What are the timetable? The elf string. He elves never need that. And addition and subtraction and division and fraction. Here, sit down, beside me. You simply must guide me. Elves know nothing of human history. To them in a mystery. So the little elf, already a shouter, just go louder. Go to the library. I need book, more and more book, and you can help me to read. As a matter of fact, every day in every way, that little elf was an egg. Patrick was working harder than ever, and was it a drag? He was staying up night head, never felt so very, was going to school with his eye pluffed and bleary. Finally, the last day, school arrived, and the elf was free to go. As for homework, there was no more, so he quietly and simply splitted how the back door. Patrick got his as his classmate was amazed. His teacher smiled and full of pride, and his parents they wondered that he happened to Patrick. He was now the model kid. Cleaned his classroom, did the chores, was cheerful, never ruled like he had developed a whole new altitude. You see, in the end, Patrick still made a tiny man do all his homework. But I will share a secret just between you and me. I was not dumb elf. Patrick had done it himself. The The poet of the story is Coral Mori. Thank you.